So the next question for you is this. Can or should somebody prepare their own lease for residential landlord-tenant, or do you recommend that they have an attorney prepare that lease for them?
Well, the inclination, of course, and I understand this totally, is why can't I go down to Office Depot and buy one for $5.99? You know, I'd probably be tempted in that direction too if I was a first-time landlord. The problem is those are what I think of as universal leases. They're designed for 50 jurisdictions, 50 states, maybe internationally. They do not pay specific requirements of Florida law. And while they are cheap at the outset, you have to figure into your cost of doing business what the cost would be if something goes wrong. So I like to think that if you've done a proper lease, you might spend a little bit more on it, but it might save you hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars in the future. So I do recommend that in the first instance, a lawyer do it for you, and I would ask that lawyer to do some in blank so that you get your money's worth. You can use it multiple times and feel comfortable that you've got the most important provisions of Florida law covered.
Rob, I think that's some very good advice, and I appreciate you sharing that with our listeners.